My name is Rakesh Kumar. I'm from Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh. I've done BTech Computer Science from Institute of Engineering and Technology, Dr. Ramanwar Lohiya, Awadh University. After graduation, I was not much comfortable with coding and technology, and I was interested in full stack development. So I was searching a platform where I can learn, and where I came to know about 10x Academy, and I joined the 10x Academy. Was also interested in full stack development, trying HTML, CSS and other technologies like JavaScript, backend technologies, Node.js. So to figure out this and get hands on it, I find 10x Academy useful to me. As earlier I mentioned, I was interested in full stack development. I was trying to figure out how to learn these technologies. So I was searching on the internet with my friend, and we found 10x Academy along with two other such platforms. We compared it. We find 10x Academy was giving live lectures, so we were more attracted towards live lecture and joined 10x Academy. It was very smooth. Before final joining, I was introduced with the pre-bootcamp, and after that, the placement team interacted with me, and we had a very comfortable talk where explanation were made about the ISA. One-on-one mentor session was very good. It cleared out my doubts and the process of approaching the question. It corrected me how to approach a question, and what approach we should take while solving problems. In the beginning, it was all smooth. I would not say I was feeling any challenges, because platform was available where if I had any doubt, I was asking there, and mentors were available every hour and replying my questions, answers, and the mistakes, and what approach I should take to solve my problems. Talking about mock interview, it used to happen like it's a real interview, where interviewer asks introductions and the questions, and he used to give a environment like interview. So I feel it was very good. It took out my hesitations. And about the placement, it was very good. I attended 2-3 placements where I was selected, and I joined second placement offer. 10x was always there to help, and they were guiding, they were calling, and to maintain your resumes, update somewhere if needed, and to learn the new things where you were facing any problem in the previous interviews. They were very helpful, I would say, and it helped me a lot to get the job.